Alright class, so yesterday we learned about what the area formula is, so can anyone remind me what the area formula is? Good. It is the base times the height. Good. And so now we're going to expand a little bit more on what the area formula is and easier ways that you can learn to do the area. So I'm going to show you a quick little video here that will show you exactly what we're looking for.
Multiplied 10 by 10 and wrote 100 with his pad and pen. Then he multiplied 10 by 5. There were 50 more plants coming alive. Then 10 times 4 equals 40. And just the bottom corner was empty. So he multiplied 5 by 4 and ended up with 20 more. Split up the place values in multiplication. Multiply the tens to get the foundation. Then the other place values get multiplied. Add the partial products up and check your work twice. Then the farmer planted black beans in 22 rows of 15. To find out how many plants he had, he drew the area model on his sketch pad. He did 20 times 10 and wrote 200 down. Then 10 times 2 and 20 is what he found. 20 times 5 was 100 and then 5 times 2 equaled 10. He added 200, 120 and 10. The sum was 330. He checked it again. So there are 330 black beans in 22 rows of 15. Split up the place values in multiplication. Multiply the tens to get the foundation. Then the other place values get multiplied. Add the partial products up and check your work twice.
Okay, so that was the video that explained a really easy way to do the area formula on a larger rectangle like this, or a square also. So they had a few little key points that I wanted you to catch from that. The first point is split up the face values in multiplication. So you'll split up. Let's say this rectangle we're trying to find the area of, and it's 14 by 17. And we're trying to figure out the area of it. So the first step it says is to split up the face values in multiplication. So you'll split it up, and they did it in tens, which I would recommend doing it in tens as well, because 10 makes it way easier. So we split up the 17, we'll have 10 here, and 7 here. It's still the same because 10 plus 7 equals 17. So you have 17 going that way. And then now we'll split this one up. This is 14, so we'll put 10 and 4 here. And so now you can see that we have 14 is our base and our height is 17. And so now you want to multiply the 10, so you want to multiply this and this, which is 100 of course. So now you have 100, so you have that multiplied. And then you want to, the other 3 boxes get multiplied. So you have the first step is split them up. The second step is multiply the 10, so multiply this box right here, and then you want to multiply the other 3 boxes. You want the other 3 boxes to get multiplied. So we'll do this one first. So 10 times 4 is 40, and then 10 times 7 is 70, and then 4 times 7 is 28. And so this box right here, you found the area of it, and then you found each box's individual area. So now all you would do is add them together. So you'd have 100 plus 70 plus 40 plus 28. You can erase those extra ones. Then you have 8, and then you have 7 plus 4 equals 13. No, equals 11. Equals 11. I'm sorry. Equals 13. Overall, it equals 13. So you'd have 238. Yep, 238 would be your overall total for the area of this square. So 17 times 14 equals 238. And you can double check your math on this as well, depending on the situation. I always want you to double check, actually. So now it's your turn to try. We'll work on one together as a class. So I'll erase all this, and we'll go over another one. Let's say we have a square, or a rectangle, that is 20 by 11. We'll say 22 by 11. So 22 by 11. So we'll split this one up how? 10 and 1. Good. So 10 here and 1 here. Now we'll split this one up how? 20 here and 2 here. So you still have 22 and 11. So you would go 20 times 10, which is 200. Good. And you'd have 20 times 1 is 20. And then you have 10 times 2 is 20. And then you have 2 times 1 equals 2. Good, class. That was really good. Now you want to add all them together, correct? Good. Good. So 200 plus 20 plus 20 plus 2. And that'll equal 242. And so 22 times 11 and as an area is 242. And so now I gave you a worksheet that I'd like you to try your own on. So I will give you an example of one, and I want you to try to figure it out, and then in a couple minutes we'll come together as a class to see if we all understand, or if we need to go over this again, or go over another one. So we'll go with 13 here and 18 here.